I wanted to get rich not because I like money, but because I wanted to give that money to charity.
Today we're going to discuss, was FTX really just a gigantic crypto Ponzi scheme in this two-part series? I hope you enjoyed this video, but before we start, I need you to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. We're going to discuss the second point, why I think FTX was built to just be a giant pyramid scheme. Sam Bankman-Fried, who is the CEO and the founder of FTX, on November 11th stepped down as CEO, and FTX officially declared bankruptcy the same day. Now, this is a huge bankruptcy with over 100,000 creditors or people that they owe. FTX is one of the biggest collapses in crypto history and had a pre-collapse value of $32 billion. In the 23-page bankruptcy filing, FTX said that they have $50 billion in assets, but they also have $50 billion in debt, which is the same size of a bankruptcy as Enron. Now, here's the crazy part, is less than 24 hours after Bankman-Fried resigned as CEO, almost $1 billion mysteriously disappeared from FTX's systems. Within hours after FTX announced their decision for bankruptcy, reports of the $600 million hack started surfacing. Now, the timing of this is all very suspicious. Less than 24 hours after this company filed for bankruptcy, almost $1 billion went missing. And a lot of people are suspecting, as soon as the news surfaced of this $600 million hack, people immediately suspected Bankman-Fried as being either directly involved or knowing the perpetrators who committed the hack. With many people saying it's a completely obvious rug pull attempt at the last hour. Many prominent blockchain analysts and hackers started looking into this situation, and a well-known YouTuber, Satoshi Stacker, pointed out that the FTX hacker funded his TRX wallet from Kraken. On November 12, 2022, Satoshi Stacker wrote on Twitter that the FTX hacker just funded his TRX wallet from Kraken, the same wallet that holds the stolen funds. This means that Kraken should have enough information to track down this individual. If it's Sam, this is basically him not caring. Now, this is where things get sticky because we all know that blockchain is transparent and everything can be tracked as it moves across the blockchain. We don't know the identity, but we can see where the money is going as it moves across. So because it's a Kraken wallet, Kraken can identify who owns that wallet because of Kraken's KYC, which is otherwise known as Know Your Customer. It's a mechanism that attaches wallet addresses with identities. If you create a crypto wallet in code, it's very difficult to know who owns that wallet. But if you create a crypto wallet using Kraken, Coinbase, or whatever, you've attached your identity to the wallet and now you can be tracked. Now, one of the biggest questions on people's mind is, will Sam Bankman-Fried be going to prison for security laws violations? Now, the SEC has announced that they are investigating Sam Bankman-Fried, whose operations were based in the Bahamas. The SEC is a civil organization, but there are reports that the Justice Department is also looking into the situation. And these investigations have been ongoing for months. While the investigation is ongoing, the SEC has frozen the assets of FTX Digital Markets. Now, I know this is a crazy story and it just keeps getting crazier and crazier, but remember, like we say before, is a maturing industry will be fraught with corruptions, inexperience, and crazy stories like this as that new industry finds its way, as it matures. I get a lot of messages from you guys asking me, is this going to affect the overall crypto market? There may be a short downturn. This crisis will be far-reaching because FTX had a lot of partners, had its hands in a lot of bowls. But for those who are worried about the overall state of crypto, remember, Enron fell. FTX, regardless of how big, is an isolated event. I still believe in the promise, the future, and the potential that crypto holds. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and thanks for watching.